Mayong aga, no, sa ating mga friends from the media. May pagkita, inyo ko ba yun? Isang smile nyo ba? No, ikaw mag-smile lang. Anyway, welcome no, sa ating Mascara Olympics. This is the most exciting and most fun nga part sa Mascara Festival. No? It has been 4 years already since nga gintukod ni siyang Mascara Olympics. It started sang 2022, gamay pa ni, majutay pa lang itong sports. No, until we tried to discover a number of new sporting events. And subong, we're happy that we're approximately having 28 sporting events this year for this October. So it will run from October 2 to 12, 2025. And along with me, we have our tournament directors no, sa iba niya sport. Tapos ang aton man nga part sang Mascara Olympics nga staff. So Mascara Olympics is all about uniting no the sports community here in Bacolod City. Especially kung inspired ni siya sang aton nga Olympics no. Kung nakita niyo sa Olympics pila ka sports disciplines no ang gaka-feature. So ginubrata na diri siya sa Bacolod. It has been a vision no kag kanami kay sa Subong with City Mayor ang iyang vision man sang una man ni Mayor Albi, subong ni Mayor Greg. Aligned bala nga we try to unite all sports nga tagaan ta sila opportunity every October, every Mascara to promote no may mga kita nga sports nga sikat na nga daan, may kita nga sports nga gina-develop pa lang no kag gina-try pa naton hagad ang ibang mga kabataan to take part no. So sa mga hindi hilig mo basket, hindi mahilig mo volleyball, mayroon kita mga duathlon, mayroon kita sa mga skateboard, BMX, no, mayroon naman kita sa iba naman yung type of sports no. So we're happy and we're proud siguro nga we're the LGU in the Philippines nga gaobra sina no kita sa city nga gaobra sang do amo nga type of activity. And we're happy this has been running for 4 years, although challenging, logistically challenging, financially challenging man siya. But at the same time, gapati kami nga through different stakeholders man naton, private and government partnerships, gapadayon ang mga participants kadto dire. No, last year we have 7,989 participants from all over the country, and we have a guest team from Singapore who went and Malaysia. So amo na siya kadako ang Mascara Olympics, and this year we're aiming for more no. Ang Mascara Olympics for us actually is not a work or job, it is a passion project no for us that we want na hindi na namon gusto bala nga pre sa una nga lapta may paamo ni nga sport nga event sa amo ni nga adlaw sa Mascara, may paamo ni siya nga sport sa amo naman ni nga adlaw. Subong we try to fix everything nga wala ga binunggoanay, wala ga kolontrahanay ang sports nga tanan bala matagaan sang equal opportunity sa aton mga venues, sa aton nga mga government or private owned nga mga venues bala. So at least bala ang focus ng tao during October 2 to 12 ara tanan sa sports para at least 13 to 19 para naman siya sa festival highlights, sectoral activities. So that's why kami ang efforts ng team no behind this are also leaning towards organizing this nga hindi siya bala mag-conflict sa iban nga tanan nga sports mabatian, ma-recognize, malantawan no, sa katon ng mga pumuluyo. And we would like to thank the Bacolod Gugma Foundation Incorporated and City of Bacolod for allowing us no, nga napadayon ang ini despite nga bago natin yung Mayor Subong. So napadayon natin ang ini nga programa. And kami happy man kami that we also have this press con already kay we aim to support and promote also other sports no because kanami kay Subong unique ang aton nga basketball, hindi na siya the usual 5-on-5. We have the 3-on-3 na Subong which is emerge naman siya sa world stage. So at least through grassroots development, diri tabla makita ang iba nga ga-prepare sila for Batang Pinoy, for Palarong Pambansa, for district meet. Through this nga aton yung mga small tournaments during the Mascara Festival, maka-contribute bala sa ila. They can play against mga taga Iloilo, taga Cebu, taga Manila, Davao. So kadamo bala sa mga opportunities for them sa mga athletes naton locally. So to give you a data, 60-40 na mo na gina-implement. 60% taga Bacolod dapat ang ma-play for that certain sport. 40% will come from different parts of the country para at least ma-prioritize ang mga taga Bacolod. And we have a very strict registration guidelines, registration team, and we also have a proper process for their registration fees, for their submission of lineups, kay para maiwasan man ang maghampang sa mga overage, ang mga technicalities ng games. So ang amon niya team subong is composed of 12 members, and we also have different tournament directors for sport. No? So we have si Sir Armando, si Sir Arland, and si Sir Paulo. No? So and also this year is special, the comeback of exhibition games. We are now we have launched already the Gilas Legends versus the Grega Sataya Basketball League All-Stars that will happen on October 4, to be managed by Mitz Julian. And namin na siya nga part sang amon yung programa this year because we want to highlight our local talent. So mga taga-Bacolod natin nga nagampang sa GGBL, Balanga Liga ni Mayor, at least well represented sila versus our Gilas Legends, which will feature our very own Jeff Chan. Also, we have our Ranidel de Ocampo, Asito Olava, Gary David. Those ang era sang 2015 Gilas, nag-World Cup sa 2014. So, amo na siya, damo activities and damo kita nga may i-look forward. We believe that Mascara Olympics is not just only for us, it's for everyone, especially for every Bacolodnon athlete. So, madamang salamat ka. Good morning.
Thank you so much, our sports director, Mr. Jose David Diaz. Now, any questions that we'd like to ask? Go ahead. Yes, sir?
We have the Turf War on October 11. MMA. Now, may ara kita MMA sa Garden Royal. They will have an exhibition sang fights, no? Exhibition fights dito sa Garden Royal on October 11, 6 p.m. onwards. Okay. So with the tickets, no, first the logistics is very challenging, no. As much as we want panubuan nina, we will be having 2 games, no, during that day. That's the LCC versus San Agustin, and Gilas Legends, and our Gasataya All-Stars, no. So challenging logistics, no. Kami sa foundation, we share the same pie, slice of the same pie, no. So as much as possible kami sa sports, pagwa ang kwarta tanan sa sports eh. So as much as possible kami may mga tikang kami sa sports nga kung may mo maka-cover up lang gamay o maka-contribute sa among expenses, no, during the event. So we're also looking at a possibility of having promos pa man, no. Those are initial pa lang. So we just launched the event, so may ara pa kita ubrahon na tikang, no, to make it more accessible sa aton nga mga manugtanaw. But in fairness, ang amon nga courtside kag amon nga mga seats sa dalom sa Coliseum manug-ubos na, so hingagaw na daan mga gusto magbakal siguro. Sa Subong, no, we're ongoing pa man yung registration, but we are pushing for ang among target actually is 8,500 or more, no. At least hindi ko gusto magtamaan kad ako abala ang amon nga nga i-set, but we are targeting to aim that numbers. But sa subong with 28 sports, I think that is achievable.
Other questions?
Okay, for this year, ang bag-o nga sports we have the turf war, we have the MMA, may kita subong sa duathlon, no? Very new na siya. At the same time, ang 3x3 basketball we have it last year. So ang BMX and skateboard, no, balik sila liwat. And I think we have a pickleball on its second year, no. We have the cross country championships, no, the trail bike bala. And ano pa ganing atong mga damo pagit kita actually nga mga events nga bag-o this year. So kanami kay every year may discover kita something new that we can bring to the people to come here. And syempre kung magkato sila, it contributes to tourism, no, sa mga hotel rooms naton. So namin na siya nga impact. Yeah, siguro sa aton nga mga sports, no, we will be releasing a poster along with the tournament director per sport para at least kung may mga inquiries sila, they can also we can also give, no. I think we will be giving as well sa media sang Mascara ang in charge para sila makaskate sa aton. By the way, we have also the car drag race this year sa Bredco. So, kadamo kita sang i-look forward. Okay, for the sports events, sadly, no, nag-lapse na kita, no. We have too much already sang sports. I think ang last na lang namon nga ginapang clear subong ang those nga naabtan bala nga nakasend na letters in advance. But with the scheduling, kay gina-check na siya namon, puno na ang aton yung weekends sang October 2 to 4, October 4 to 5 and October 11 and 12. So damo na mo gina sports. So di mo ko kabalo kung paano si media magtunga sa ilalawas. O damo matada kadto ana. Okay, so sa mga venues naton, we have our various venues naton. We have our Bacolod Taytong High School for our pickleball tournament. For our basketball, we have the Villamonte Gym. For our duathlon, we have the BCGC grounds. Run Bike Zumba naton, which gina-invite man namon kamo, no, to join the Run Bike Zumba. This is free for all, no. This will be at the Bacolod City Government Center grounds. Ang Run Bike Zumba nato no October 4 will be the start of our Mascara Olympics, no, official launching naton dira. So we invite you to come. It is free of charge. They can either run and do Zumba or bike and go Zumba man. So ang run, it's a 5-kilometer fun run nga wala na ya pressure. Then ang bike, we also have the 22-kilometer Bacolod City Loop, no, libuton na sa naton hasta sa Bata, Mansilingan, no, Alihis, dito tapos buwa balik sa Bacolod City Government Center. Then we have a Zumba after. And we also have the raffle prizes for that event, no. So aside from that, we also have our Bacolod City College Activity Center for our gymnastics and our chukball. We also have our Ayala Malls Capitol Central for our table tennis. SM for our Mobile Legends, our dance sports. Our dance sports is a new sport subong nga damo naman naga-intra, so bago na siya nga i-look forward. And also we have our swimming for panaad, no, panaad ang aton swimming. Football naton sa La Provincia or dito sa may Bantog ayon. And sa Granada nga itong nga cross country kag madamo pa nga iban.
Sir, in connection sa venues, no, I hope na matagaan strategic location ng media. Kay sometimes, sir, may mga inquiries sa mga officiating officials, doga hinder, hindi tabla, kabalo, man kung din ta pwesto. So, kabay pa na matagaan ta sakto nga avenue para maka-document.
Okay. So, thank you, sir, no? Kay may ginaka-response kay actually for the past how many years, no, wala kami na yung media mo, no, kay bangod nga wala balasang to ammonate na set up. So, kay this year we will be enforcing also our sports media accreditation. I think we have, and we will be having sa amon nga logistics team may in charge of that to create a media box per venue para at least sa mga media they will have good shots, hapos man sila makakuha nga makatag may resulta nga hindi siya makahinder man sa officiating naman. So it's a special area for the media. Thank you, sir, for having that.
Okay, do we have other questions, guys? Media friends, do we have? Yes, we do. Okay, sir. So let's hear an explanation based on ato na different director sa sports. Now let's hear a what is tournament director, the 3x3 basketball director, Coach Arland Blanco. Go, sir. Anything you want to say?
Hello. Hello, good morning sa tanan. Actually, this what Sir David said na this basketball tournament sa aton na 3x3 during Mascara Olympics already started since 2022. So from the start, nag-start siya as hindi siya 3x3. Nag-start siya as regular 5-on-5 with the help ni sa aton na anay Mayor Albi. So kaso ato sa muna because kalawig sang panahon because nag-pandemic ta. So may mga libre nga mga oras, libre nga mga venues. So nag 5-on-5. After a year, nagbalik liwat, naging 3x3 na because of the time constraints na natabo. And last year, we have the inter-barangay na siya. Naging inter-barangay siya, 3x3. This year, gin-open namon into 5 categories. So may grassroots and may open category na. So grassroots naton, amo na sa akin cater naton ang para sa mga batang Pinoy na mga athletes naton. In-cater siya. So 12 under, 15 under, 18 under, and the open category na subong nga tuig. Sa last year, open category na sa last year, 2024 naton giniwat. Open category lang siya. So inter-barangay sa open category. So last year ang nag-join sa aton is almost all barangays. May 4 lang nga wala nga barangay nag-join. And this year, din-open naton sa amo na nga bali Sir David Kagina. So what he said na 60-40. So 60% of the participants came from Bacolod, then 40% outside Bacolod. So we invited teams from Silay City, teams from Murcia, teams from Bago, teams from Talisay. May ara man teams from as far as Escalante and nag-join to participate sa this year naton na tournament sa TX3. So invited siya tanan including ang schools, ball clubs and barangay teams. The event will be held sa October 4 and 5 sa Villamonte because ang Villamonte may 2 ka venue. So pwede na kayang 3x3 simultaneous na siya. So it will be run by just 10 minutes per game. So fast pace na siya nga fast pace and more physical nga event rather than the regular 5-on-5. So fast pace na siya. So it will be played for 10 minutes, whoever first nga makalabot 21 points after before ang 10 minutes na mag-expire. So, amo na siya madaog so fast pace sa katama. So, gina-expect naton nga medyo dasigay lang ang ampang.
Okay, do we have other questions? Questions for Coach Arlan Blanco? None? Okay, let's proceed to the tournament director, Run Bike Zumba and Duathlon, Mr. Armando Dinaheba. Go ahead, sir.
Good morning. So, ang ato nga Run Bike Zumba, no? Ang ato mga participants ni mga newbies ni sa bali mga baguhan lang. This is not a race. Ang ato nga bike and then ang ato nga run amuman fun run man ni siya. So bali ang ato na diya nga welcome ginin tanan no. Kag libre ni way ni siya registration pati sa ato nga bike. Ang ato nga fun bike sa 22 kilometers ni siya. BGC ni nga ato nga starting BCGC and then Matiyo tani Bata Plaza Alihis and then Mansilingan balik sa BCGC. So nga ato nga fun run dra man may start BCGC and then may U-turn kita sa Bacolod Metro Hospital and then balik siya isa 5 kilometers. Ang ato nga ginaano ni subong ang bago naton nga sports diri amo ning duathlon, no? Pasalamat man kami sa amon nga parks ang organizer, naging cater man ni Mayor Greg ang amon nga proposal nga para develop naman di kag pasulod naman ang ini nga sports. Ang duathlon is a concept ni sa isang duwa ka sports, no? Marani siya and then mabike and then maran. So ang first ni 5 kilometers run BCGC man po ng aton nga starting and then balik man sa U-turn kita sa Bacolod Metro Hospital and then ang bike naton BCGC kag Banochi bilog man silingan balik sa Alihis balik sa Bangkakore kag BCGC, no? And then ang last nga run start man gyapon sa BCGC and then iko-uwi lang before sa Trinity na school. So muna sa kwan sa aton nga duathlon. Okay.
Thank you so much, Mr. Dinaheba. Lastly, we have the BMX and Skateboard Competition. Tournament Director, Architect Paulo Hipolanco. Go ahead, sir.
Hello, good morning, everyone. So, once again, first, thank you sa Dugma Foundation for having me again for this year. So actually, BMX and Skateboard competition started back in 2022, no? Sa kay Mayor Albi, and then with the help of Sir David. And luckily, this time, nagbunga aton nga evento, so which give birth to the new Bacolod City Skate Park, no? So last time, ang BMX and Skateboard is having only sa mga makeshift nga mga ramps, no? So but now, ginubrata ni with the help of Mayor Albi, who's been right before, and Councilor Jason, nagaan niya ta venue nga almost kasi ko mayo, ganyan kasi kiti almost world class, kiti covered court siya, and then indako siya katama, no? Sa expect ko, no? So we're very happy and very lucky also that we will be having launching our event this year sa dito na. No? So everyone is excited, and then we are expecting guests from all over the Philippines, no? So coming from Manila, Cebu, and Mindanao for BMX and Skateboard. And also around the gross may expect mga mga athletes, no? And plus ang ato nga locals nga mga competitor. So this event is very promising, no? Because this will be giving birth sa mga new gens na mga athletes, and also we are harness current ng mga athletes also. Kay this time, skateboard and BMX is already an Olympic sport na. Unlike before, street culture lang siya. So I'm very happy na nag-aanta platform this time, no? So in terms of our location, our location is around Going Progreso Village, no? It's beside the school, And ang front nila is our new multi-purpose gymnasium man from our city. So tubangay na sila. So ang venue is very, although hindi man kasi layo, kasi ma-provide man siya, si foundation sa mga like mga salakyan to bring crowds there para mag-watch ang atong tournament, Next tournament will be 2 days. First day is elimination round, and then the second day is finals round. So grabe ni siya, ka-extreme na sports. I'm very excited nga makakita sa inyo kung anong makaya sa ating athletes at the same time sa mga national athletes na. Kasi gwapong facility, for sure gwapong ng results. So I think that's it. Any questions for the event?
We have questions? Okay, none so far. Okay, question for Sir. Sir, questions from one of our media friends here. Do we have a national judge for the dance sports, and how many na daw ang nag-register?
Yeah, as of now, we have for dance sports, may ara kita, I think we have three national judges for dance sports. They are still processing kung sino sila, but they will come from Manila. Also, as of now, paubos ng ilang slots sa dance sports. Manug-full na. So I think the maximum number of slots is I think it's 100 or 120. So paano na siya? Paubos na gid siya kay since last night gasigi sulod ang ilang registration nya application. School-based ni sila so hapos gid sila na-incorporate siya sa DepEd bala. May partnership sa ila. So nakalisensya sila sa schools. So kami as organizers sa mga sports, we provide letter of invitation sa mga LGUs because we also want them nga doang lakat dibla nila official man siya nga padala sila sa LGU. And also, we also provide letters for their schools para I think maka-help man na sa excuse letters nila for their classes. So, we extend maximum support sa ila. Sa amon nga team, we have our logistics team that take cares of those accommodations sa kinanglanon sa mga athletes. Meron tanaara siya subong. Transpo ara man dira sa iya sa isa ko man ka staff sa logistics in charge man sa mga assets mga gamiton sa mga teams, mga bola, mga nets, mga needs nila. Meron man kita sang gaobra sang amon mga graphics, meron man kami sa in charge sa finance, sa registration, so we have a kumbaga bala meron kami working committee gid per department who does all those things. So we also monitor man sa mga register because we want nga ang amon nga set nga sports will be well attended by the participants.
Good noon, everyone. Mama, kung ako Coach Arlan, Coach, ever since basketball mo nabalanta, diyan ang venue sa aton nga basketball.
Yes, thank you, Gina. So, ang venue natin, last year sa Villamonte, may covered court at may gym. So, apat siya. So, four courts. Kaya half court mo lang ang 3x3. So, 4 courts ang gamito natin. Okay, because we have 4 categories. So, 1 category, 1 court. So, dito natin. So, October 4 and 5 sa Villamonte, covered court and gym.
Okay, may na-top ka na mga officiate sa basketball mo. Nano nga grupo ni Bacolod?
Actually, may na-top na kita nga group of referees. Ang group na lead ni isang aton nga ang former PBA referee bala nga si Patrick Canizares. Ang ya grupo ang gintap naton as official referee sa aton nga 3x3 tournament. Actually, last year sila managing gintap sang foundation to officiate sa aton nga tournament.
Okay, kay Sir Dave, no? Dave? all of sports, wala ta ka pagwa nga may boxing because kabalo na mata ang bakulod nun, mahilig sa boxing mo.
Well, actually, sir, kami no, there is a foundation. We have limited resources. No, as much as we want to have all the sports to be played there sa Bacolod, we are working on a limited budget, limited resources. But actually, ako na ang that's where the accreditation comes in. No, we have these events nga hindi kaya fundan sa foundation, hindi kaya fundan sa city. We have those who are willing to mount their own. We just accredit them and make them our partners. No, para at least sila ma-recognize manamon nga part man sila sa Mascara Festival. That's why we have our accreditation process. No, so sa accreditation process namon, we also have them. They also have the benefits. No. We include them sa calendar of activities, we promote them, we also get to invite people to watch their events. So, I think that's the most important thing subong na-unite tabla ang sports, nga wala sa may gakabilin. Although hindi man namon tanan magastuhan, hindi man naton tanan makover, at least makita naton nga mga willing, nga mga people, nga stakeholders to have these sports. They are also welcome to take part every Mascara Festival. And ang prizes naton, may ara kita mga sports no nga may ara cash prizes. May ara kita nga mga sports nga trophies, medals lang, no. So not everyone has the cash prizes, no. So depende man sa type of sport. I think we have the media ID for sports, no, for the Mascara Olympics. For sure, sir. I think ang maka-clarify gina sa aton, no, ang aton niya and our team.
Yes, we will be giving you media IDs. Yes, pwede na siya. So we will be giving them right the full access ID.